Are you looking to elevate your home with the latest and most luxurious gadgets that offer both style and functionality? Whether you're a home enthusiast or simply someone who loves cutting-edge technology, these ultra-luxury home and kitchen gadgets will bring your living space to a whole new level. In today's video, we're exploring top 8 ultra-luxury home and kitchen gadgets on Amazon you should know about in 2026. These gadgets are designed to make your life easier, more convenient, and of course, a lot more luxurious. Let's dive in and see which of these amazing gadgets will enhance your home and kitchen. 1. Digital Wall Calendar. The digital wall calendar is not just a gadget. It's a home organizer designed to simplify your entire household routine. Sync it with your Google, Apple, or Outlook calendars, and you'll have everyone's schedule in one place, reducing the risk of double booking or missing appointments. It features a built-in chore chart with reminders and a reward system for kids, making it a fun and efficient tool to manage daily tasks. The Meal Planner feature lets you create menus, recipes, and grocery lists quickly, which can save you time during the week. Plus, the customizable dashboard allows you to display the weather, schedules, and other helpful widgets all in one place. It's perfect for families or anyone who loves staying organized, ensuring smooth daily routines for everyone in the house. Whether you use it for personal or family planning, this digital calendar is the perfect mix of functionality and high-tech convenience. 2. 4D Massage Chair. The 4D Massage Chair brings the spa experience to your home with modern features that target relaxation like never before. This chair uses advanced technology, including a long SL track that covers your neck down to your thighs, ensuring a comprehensive massage from head to toe. Airbags that target the shoulders, arms, legs, and feet ease tension, while the built-in graphene heating technology soothes the lower back for even more comfort. The zero-gravity recline position reduces spinal pressure, giving you relief after a long day. It also has foot rollers that stimulate pressure points to enhance the therapeutic effect. The voice command and touch display make operation easy, and Bluetooth speakers let you enjoy music or relaxation sounds as you unwind. It's an investment in your health and well-being, providing everything you need to relax and recharge without leaving the house. Whether you need relief from stress or muscle soreness, this massage chair is a must-have for anyone seeking ultimate comfort. 3. Sous vide machine. The sous vide machine is a game-changer for anyone serious about cooking. It's a compact, yet powerful tool that allows you to cook food with precise temperature control, ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time. The 40L capacity and 100W power let you cook a variety of meats, vegetables, and even delicate dishes like fish with amazing precision. The turbo feature speeds up cooking times while still maintaining perfect results. The meal prep flexibility it provides is excellent, especially for busy individuals. You can use it to prepare meals in advance and store them, saving you time throughout the week. Plus, the app-based recipes, designed and tested by professional chefs, make it easy to try new dishes and improve your culinary skills. If you're looking to level up your cooking game with minimal effort, this sous vide machine is the way to go. 4. Roland Star Bed Frame with LED lighting. The Roland Star Bed Frame with built-in LED lighting is an elegant and functional addition to any modern bedroom. This stylish bed frame not only offers adjustable lighting with various scene options, but it also provides practical storage solutions with 4 rolling drawers. The charging station with 2 USB ports and a Type-C outlet means your devices can stay powered without the clutter of extra wires. The adjustable headboard accommodates different mattress heights, ensuring the perfect fit for your bed. This frame's steel structure with reinforced wooden slats can support up to 900 pounds, providing durability and stability. The Quick Lock system allows for fast and easy assembly, so you can enjoy a hassle-free setup. Whether you want a contemporary, sleek design or just need more storage space, the Roland Star Bed Frame is a great solution for anyone looking to enhance their bedroom with both style and practicality. 5. Stackable storage bins. Stackable storage bins are perfect for keeping your home organized while saving valuable space. These versatile bins are ideal for closets, kitchens, or anywhere else you need extra storage. They come with dual access doors, making it easy to store and retrieve items without hassle. The transparent front door makes it easy to find what you're looking for, and the bins lock securely when stacked, giving you peace of mind that your items are safe. The foldable design makes them easy to collapse and store when not in use, which is perfect for anyone with limited space. Whether you're organizing seasonal items, extra kitchenware, or just decluttering your home, these stackable bins maximize storage efficiency. Plus, the built-in wheels and handles allow for smooth movement, making them easy to transport from room to room. They're a must-have for anyone looking to stay organized with minimal effort. 6. Antier E3 in-one pasta maker. For pasta lovers, the Antier E3 in-one pasta maker will make fresh pasta easier than ever before. This compact yet powerful kitchen tool lets you roll out dough and cut it into various pasta shapes with precision. It includes a roller, spaghetti cutter, and fettuccine cutter, allowing you to create a wide variety of fresh pasta from scratch. With 8 adjustable thickness settings, you can create pasta tailored to your exact preferences, whether you like it thin and delicate or thick and hearty. The included drying rack and cleaning brush make the entire process even easier, allowing you to dry and clean your pasta effortlessly. It's the perfect tool for anyone who enjoys homemade pasta without the complicated process. If you're looking to step up your cooking skills and enjoy fresh pasta whenever you want, this pasta maker will quickly become your favorite kitchen gadget. 7. Sunvive Roaster Oven. The Sunvive Roaster Oven is a versatile and compact appliance that's perfect for smaller kitchens or anyone who wants to make cooking easier. With a 20-quart capacity, it's capable of roasting, baking, and slow cooking all your favorite dishes with ease. The temperature range of 150 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit gives you flexibility, whether you're preparing a quick meal or slow cooking a tender roast. The self-basting lid keeps moisture locked in, ensuring your food stays juicy and flavorful. Cool touch handles make the oven safe to handle, while the removable pan allows for easy cleaning after cooking. This roaster oven offers excellent heat distribution for perfectly cooked meals every time, and its compact design ensures it won't take up too much space on your countertop. Whether you're roasting meats, baking cakes, or cooking a family meal, the Sunvive Roaster Oven is a valuable tool that will save you time in the kitchen. 8. Homer's Body Fat Scale. Homer's Body Fat Scale is a must-have for anyone serious about monitoring their health. This advanced scale provides a full-body scan using 8 electrodes to deliver over 50 metrics, including fat percentage, muscle mass, hydration levels, and bone density. With the ability to track specific areas of your body like your arms, legs, and core, you can get a detailed understanding of your body's composition. The large TFT display is easy to read and provides accurate results every time. This scale supports multiple users, making it perfect for families or anyone who shares the same health goals. Sync it with health apps to track your progress and maintain a record of your fitness journey. Whether you're looking to lose weight, build muscle, or maintain your health, the Homer's Body Fat Scale will help you stay on track. These top 8 ultra-luxury home and kitchen gadgets are designed to bring convenience, luxury, and innovation into your everyday life. Whether you're looking to organize your home, improve your cooking, or enhance your personal well-being, these gadgets provide the perfect blend of functionality and elegance. From high-tech digital calendars to smart kitchen appliances, each of these gadgets offers something unique that can make your home more efficient and enjoyable. So, which of these gadgets would you love to try in your home? Drop a comment below to let me know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing reviews and content on the latest tech for your home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.